Absolutely, there is a best way to enhance your win rate ratio. Hello everyone and nice to meet you here. Long time no see. As I promised before, today I'm going to speak about a very important definition on the market, and I think that if you are a beginner trader or professional, not different, I suggested to look very carefully on this video. On the market we have some special price or special it's better to say that a special occasion and situation that price try to hit many to cross this area. We call it support and resistant area. As you can see, let me reset the chart. I will explain here, and as you can see, let me just, yeah, it's okay. For example, it's 1 day time frame of Bitcoin. We have some special uh, price or special situation that, for example, from here, as I said before, you can draw it. For example, this one, yeah, it's better. Yeah, every time that price this area, I mean this area, for example, this is for the first time, this is the second time, third time, and blah blah blah. As you can see, when price past this price with the Morobozo candles, uh, when price coming down, every time that price uh, is so near to this, for example, area, price coming up from here, price coming up again, coming up. We call it the support area. It means that these areas support the price to shoot it from here to the top. On the opposite side, you can see, for example, yeah, it's good, area. Okay, let me show you. As you can see, every time price coming near to this area, for example, for the first time, second time, third time, as you can see, every time that price hit this area, or for example coming near to this area, it's coming down, and price cannot cross this area. We call it the resistant area. This is a very important definition, because every person that understands the supporting and resistant area, he can trade easily as soon as possible. And I should say that every time. I should say, please wait a moment. I want to, yeah, at the 70 percentage, price cannot move, cannot cross this area. What does it mean? It means that on the 70 percentage, price cannot cross this area. For example, this is a resistant area, as you can see, first, second, third, fifth, and for example here, as you can see, let me show. Yeah, as I told before, on this area, price will not cross. What does it mean that cross? Cross means that some candles, as you can see, let me delete this area. As you can see, this is for example a resistant area at the past. As you can see, yeah, this is for example resistant area, and price cross this area with these three bullish Morobozo candles. It means that this area that was the resistant area, now it is the support area. Change the characteristic. It means that they change the characteristic of the support and resistant area. At the past, this area was a resistant area, and now this is support. Okay, For example, as you can see, for example, from here, I think it's good area. Yeah, this, yeah. Every time price coming down from here, first hit, second hit, third one, as you can see, every time. For example, from past, obviously from the past, these area, okay, these area, as you can see, was a support area, and coming forward, as you can see, these area break so sharp, as you can see, so sharp from here to here. This area that was an support area, now this is a resistant area. As you can see, in the future, price cannot pass easily. For example, here, the second time, the first time, second time, okay, this is a resistant area. So the most, as I told, the most important things that on the support and resistant area on the 70%, as I told before, let me edit this one. As you can see, the price will not coming down on the support area. Okay, imagine that we are on these, let me delete all these shapes, talk more obviously and with detail. You know, it is so important to understand the characteristic and the main information of these support and resistant area. For example, let me delete these ones. As you can see, we have a support area. Okay, I told that we said the area is change the characteristic when the some big movement and strong movement. For example, these bearish, as you can see, this bearish candle, it means that this area is not the support area, and maybe this will be a resistant area. Okay, so imagine that we are on this area, on this price. Okay, you are a trader, you don't know how to do, what to do. I told that at the 70%, this area will not break. Okay, you have two choice. First of all, do nothing. I mean this area, do nothing, or if you want to do anything, you should not sell anything. Okay, you can just buy a little, buy a bit. Okay, I try to speak so obviously. If you are a trader and price is here, okay, you don't know the rest of the video, the rest of the chart. We are on this situation and price, you don't know what to do, you must wait. You have two choice, do nothing here, I mean, or buy something. Okay, you should not sell it, because when we come forward, when we go forward, you can see that the price hit this area again and coming up. Okay, on the opposite side, for example, we have something like this area. Okay, this area you have two choice. I mean, this area, you must know that this support and resistance area is not a specific price, it's an area, and I will tell you why we call it an area. But you must know that this is an area, not a specific price. Okay, this area you shouldn't buy anything, you shouldn't buy anything, you shouldn't buy anything, for you know, it is so important to understand. Okay, all these times you shouldn't buy anything. As you can see, price coming down, it is so important to understand. If you want to enhance and be a good trader with the good profit simultaneously, exactly, You must understand and write it somewhere in your notebook. I don't know. You must understand again and uh, know that at the let me find it. I cannot the percent at the 70% price will not. Okay, I find it at the 70 percentage. These area will not break. For example, this resistant area at the 70% will not break. Okay, what you want to do nothing, or for example open a short position, open in a short position. I will tell you what should you do in the next video, but just on this video I'm trying to say that you must you must understand and believe that on this area you shouldn't buy anything. For example, let me talk. For example, this is a daily, as I told, this is a daily chart of Bitcoin. Okay, imagine a person. Let me delete these ones. Okay, this is a 1 day Bitcoin time frame. For example, a person think that yeah, this is the first time price coming down. This is the second time price coming down. Yeah, with this candle, with this bullish candle, Marabozo, as you can see, the green one. Think that yeah, this area is past, but as you can see, the price, okay, cannot cross this area and coming down. And from this area, I mean, I want to know that from, for example, from this area to, let me, for example, to this area, yeah, this is about 99 days, as you can see here, 99 bars and 99 days. Imagine a person buy Bitcoin on this price. As you can see, price coming down for 99 days. And after that, it is so important to understand. For example, after that, price coming up again, it cannot cross this 64, yeah, this 64K, cannot cross. And after that, price coming down, we start a bearish trend, you know. As I told, for example, from here to here, this is about it is about 1 year that price coming down. Because this is so important to understand the main purpose of this video, the support and resistance, and how the support and resistance change the characteristic. For example, I found it. As you can see, this is an area, resistant area. When these area break with these strong candles, as you can see, a bullish candle, green bullish candle, this area that wasn't as resistant, now this is a support area. Okay, and when price hit this, my internet gone, wait a moment please. Yep, as you can see, when price cross this area with the big momentum, and you can see when price coming down and hit again this area, it's coming up, as you can see. Okay, I hope that this video help you to how to trade. If you have any question, you can send me a DM on the telegram on, and you can comment it here. And if this video is useful, please like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time.